Okay, hello everyone, Martins here. I'm just going to do a quick video to show you how you can claim your assets from a PC or a desktop computer or a laptop. Right, so you log into your account as usual. You go to UBX. Let me see, I'll go back to the home page. All right, so we're in home page. Then from there you go to the menu at the top right and you look for exchange. All right, when you click on exchange, it will take you to where you can see the USDT, that is EUSDT, your financial asset that you have been allotted to you. And then you would see the daily withdrawal amount. You see today's available exchange. You see mine is 0.1088. okay, it's a bit higher than yesterday when I did it from my phone. All right, so that's it. So what you're gonna do is to copy that. I'll just try and highlight it and copy. See if I can copy all the whole lot. I don't know if it will copy that, and so that I can just do everything. Okay, I'll just say copy, and then I would now enter the quantity here on top. All right, and I would say convert now. So right, so it will be converting that to UBX for me, and that's it. I now confirm the exchange, and it's been converted. So converted successfully. So yeah, so I can now view my assets and see where it has been converted to. Right, so I know that I now have a little bit of UBX there, which is 0.2191. all right, so it's in my N wallet, which means that I can transfer it from my N to my spot. So I click on that transfer option there. All right, I think it didn't get the transfer, so I'm gonna have to go back. I'll go to transfer. All right, that's it. So you'll be transferring from your N to spot. So you switch the arrow is from N to spot, and what you're transferring is all you have there, all the UBX you have there. So I'll just select all and I'll confirm the transfer, and click confirm, and then it's been transferred. So if I go to my spot wallet, what we have, let's see, that's N account. Okay, let's do spots here. This is spot now. All right, so these are spots account. Okay, so that's it. So you'll be able to see now. Yeah, so this is the total UBX I have. It has increased from 0.7 to 0.9583. That's it. So that's how it's done. So I hope you found this helpful. Cheers. This is Martin signing out. Cheers.